Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the third video in which I will be explaining about the first four visuals of this Power BI default visuals, and also explaining how to start with Power BI, any problem or any project related to Power BI. So let us start. Just open this Power BI and load the data. Excel, Superstore Canada, and load order table, load data. See, for starting any kind of a Power BI problems or any sortings or any project related to Power BI, so we have to see in this step. So these are the at first step we have to follow some step. So at first step we have to understand the problem. See what is the business problem. So and understand the problem and collect the data according to the problems. Then that data will solve the problems. Okay, and the collection of data is based on the problem. Otherwise, if the project if the data analysis or visualization will not solve the problem, then there is no need of collecting different other data, because other data, there's so many data available but not all the data are useful. So according to our problem statement we have to collect the data. After collecting the data set, we have to next step data transform. If there is a need of transforming the data, then we will transform the data by using Power Query Editor. Okay, and if there is a no need of data transformation, then we will use data visualization. Okay, and if we have transformed our data, then we will use data visualization. So we will visualize the data and create a report in the Power BI. And after this visualization, so we have to send this report to the business users or a company employee. Okay, so these are the five different steps that we have to follow in any Power BI project. Okay, so this is simple, very straightforward. So in the first step we have collected the data. We have collected the data called Superstore Canada. Now I will be explaining the different different charts. So data transformation currently I am not doing, so I will be using at first visualization. So for explaining purpose I am just using, after collecting the data and loading the data, I will be explaining the visualization tools, what are the different way of visualizing. After that I will be discuss the transformation, data transformation using Power Query. Okay, so in the Power BI we have loaded the data set. Now in visualization we have to create dashboard, we have to create chart using default visuals. So in default visuals, at first we have stack bar chart, stack column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, or 100% stack bar chart or 100% column chart. So at first in bar chart, we will click on stack bar chart, and we will point and click and drag and drop option here can be used. Okay, so in Power BI we will be using point and click and drag and drop option. So we have to plot profit wise region. Okay, so the profit wise region is plotted. Okay, so we can see that the different region has a different profit. Now we have to format these visuals. formatting this visual is a very simple step. So click on the visuals, click on format your visuals. Now we have to increase the size of y-axis. This is not visible, so I will be writing 15, increasing the size y-axis, making them bold. If you want to change the color also can change the color, but I am not changing the color. And we have to off the titles, so y-axis title has been off. Now same thing applied will be applied on x-axis. X-axis title of value 15, bold, visible. Okay, good. Now we will use data level. We will use data level to show the data, to show the exact data of the particular region. So in this data level we will increasing the value of bold. Okay, now we have to adjust the title. So now adjusting the title, click on general, title, and scroll down and just horizontal alignment center, increase the size. Size is minimum 25, 30, bold. Now we will use color. Click on effect, background color. I am using this background color. Okay, now again click on this general effects and visual border shadow. In the border I will be increasing the breadth of the border, rounded corner. Rounded corner is for rounding the corner. Okay, shadow I will be keeping inside. Okay, now our first visual has been created. Okay, now I will use stack column chart for creating column chart. Okay, so I will be using stack column chart, creating column chart. So in this column chart we will be using region wise sales, okay, region wise sales, and I want to apply same formatting on this. So I will be using format painter for this sort technique. So click on this, click on format painter, click on this visuals. Same thing applies on this. Okay. Now this chart is showing how the various now different region with the help of profit. And in this chart, this is showing that the variation of different region of the sales variation of the different region, also showing the comparison between two different regions. So if you compare one this with this, then you can see that there is a difference between the. So in this way you can visualize the data. Now I will be using other chart called clustered bar chart. So clustered bar chart is used for analyzing two different categories. Okay, for example, I am just plotting profit versus region. Okay, and now I am adding one more thing, is a category, product category. So every region has a three product categories. That is fine. So in these charts we have analyzed key how the technology is higher in every region. profit from technology higher in every region. So I will be applying same formatting on this format printer. Again, this is a similar cluster chart. Click on this profit over sales wise, quarter wise sales. Okay, now I will be just using product categories into this, and now I will be using format printer in this. Now we can see that these four different charts are allotted and they have their different meanings. Okay, now coming to the next part, that is stack bar chart. In a stack bar chart, 100% stack bar chart, so we are plotting region versus profit, which show that the every region is converted into 100%. So all the region has been divided into 100%, and if we add one more product categories or any other categories, then we can see that how the variation is happening, what percentage of the particular categories is from different regions. Okay. Just click on this and increase data level. Okay, now we will use format printer. Click on this format printer, click on second, click on this. So the formatted printer will format in the same way, similar to this column chart, 100% stack column chart. In 100% stack column chart, we will be using profit and month wise profit. Now I want to analyze product categories. Now I want to keep this format printer. In this way we have plotted the four different parts for different charts. So thank you for this video, and in the next part I will be discussing more different charts and plotting them and creating a dashboard. So thank you.